Get a full video on the full tear down. It's literally been 30 seconds now, and the car's already off the ground, and the oil pan's already off. Blower's halfway around. Valve cover's coming right off. Yeah. Valve cover's off. It's because I know what it's like.
But you've never seen it.
Yeah. But it's all, you know, you got what? 6 guys you're doing that are all used to it. Yeah. And doing it right.
Every time.
Yep. Because AN fittings. That's the only reason the fuel line is already disconnected. God. Look at it, how it's, the clutch is already out. Hey, Jesus. The clutch is already out. One head is off. The second head's on. One is off. Oh, the second head's off. I mean, it's amazing how fast they do this. It's amazing how fast they do it. Oil pan's on, the rods are ready to come out. take the rod bolts out. Holy shit, he's got the... Is that a main cap? No, they're not dropping their crown. Oh yeah, the rod cap. That's what it is. I didn't think about that. Yeah, rod cap might be important. Two pistons. Start honing out the cylinder. 4 pistons out. Just the amount of stuff that they're doing right now and the amount of time. It's just, it's amazing to see it. And on the floor. Not even at home, in a shop. Got six of 8 rods and pistons out. It's great. All 8 out, blocked bare now.
Yeah, maybe that.
Honing out the cylinder. In 7 minutes, little 8 minutes, the cylinders are honed, the pistons and rods are out, the whole freaking it's just, yeah, I know the track's not hooking, I don't know why. Yeah. I mean, it's just crazy. Yeah, it's just wild. Yeah, here comes the sleeves. That's the way they should be. New bearings in the automatic. It's wild. Look at it. Got a guy pulling the sleeve and another guy underneath putting bearings in. I mean, that's just crazy. It's you gotta be good to be able to do that. Not even that, you gotta have good guys. Clutch is going back in. Yep, he's letting them down. Look at it. The clutch is going back in. Cleaning up the cylinders, put the sleeves back in. And it's crazy. We're hitting 10 minutes and they're halfway back together. It's just amazing.
You're never gonna do it the first time.
What, this? Yeah, I can.
Not here.
I'll do it at home. That's just amazing. Yeah. Oh, you. It's not even the whole not have a job thing. It's just how bad would you feel? You know, because it's not only you, but it's like the whole team. You know. What's this? He's gonna put the rods back in. Yeah. All 8 back in the motor. Or no, they got one more to do. Okay, well we got 6. So, 12 and a half minutes, and you already got the motor halfway assembled. And it just slips right in. All 8. Done. Yeah, he's cleaning the deck. Now he's torquing down the bottom end. I know. He's torquing the rods. See what he's using for a torque wrench? Snap-on. The only kind I will ever use.